Hello, so in this video we're going to look at two things. One is the increasing divergence between GDP and GVA and what is the meaning. The second is about the European Parliament, EU Parliament elections that concluded last year. What does increasing divergence between GDP and GVA mean? GDP constitutes of GVA plus the net taxes. Net taxes means taxes minus subsidies. So when we measure GDP, we see there's a 8% growth rate, 7.8% growth rate, and we look at GVA, we see there's a divergence in the GDP growth rate and the GVA growth rate. What does this divergence mean? It means that the increase in GDP is because of the increase in taxes rather than increase in GVA. That means it's not true growth. GVA is growing slowly, rather the taxes are increasing faster so that the GDP is increasing. So this again proves the point that GDP is not the perfect measure for a country's economic growth. So last year happened the elections for European Parliament, and so we are going to look into what is the difference between European Parliament, European Commission and European Council. So European Parliament is the directly elected EU institution representing its member states. There are 27 members and the election takes place every 5 years, and the members, after being elected, they elect a president. The function of European Parliament is to legislate to a certain extent. And then comes European Commission. Now European Commission is the executive body of European Parliament, and it sees to it that the treaties are executed and stuff. And what is European Council? European Council is an advisory body. It doesn't legislate. It's a body consisting heads of states and governments of the members, and also the president of the European Parliament, and it is such an advisory council. So this is the difference between the three of these.